Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Wordpandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you. This series covers previous year CAT questions. Today we've got a CAT 2017 RC question. Before you go through the video solution for this question, make sure you solve the question and then you go through the video solution. Let's get started with the video now. The author comes to the conclusion that, so what is the final conclusion of the author of the passage? What is the final argument that the author of the passage has made? That is something that we've got to figure out in this question. How do we do that? We use the context provided to us right at the end of the passage. The author says this is where the fantasy of autonomy comes full circle. The logical outcome of cars which need no driver is that they will become cars which need no owner either. So ultimately what is going to happen is car ownership is going to transform. When we have self-driven cars, ownership of cars will change. We will have companies like Uber coming into the picture. Cars would become a public utility, and this is where the world is going to transform. The ultimate development of private car will be to reinvent public transport. Traffic jams will be abolished only when the private car becomes a public utility. So ultimately, transportation is going to undergo a change when private ownership of vehicles changes, and private car it transforms into public transport. So that is what is going to happen. So that is the conclusion that the author has arrived at. Option number A, car drivers will no longer own cars but will have to use public transport. We don't know whether car drivers will no longer own cars or not, right? For example, Uber drivers, they might own cars. So this is logically incorrect. B, cars will be controlled by technology that is more efficient than car drivers. The comparison between technology and car drivers and their efficiency is not given. See, car drivers dream of autonomy, but the future may be public transport, right? So this is what the author is trying to derive, and this is the ultimate conclusion that he's arriving at. Remember, he says private car will be to reinvent public transport. Option D, another incorrect answer choice. Electrically powered bicycles are the only way to achieve autonomy in transportation. The author has not stated this at any given point of time. He has said at the end, when private ownership changes, people will shift to electrically powered bicycles, but that is just a remark on a lighter note more than a specific fact or a point that is being made by the author of the passage. This is how you arrive at option number C as the correct answer in this case. Hopefully so you've understood the reasoning behind this question. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.